LGBTQ and civil rights activists around the country are protesting a memo that would roll back protections for transgender people.
According to the memo obtained by the New York Times over the weekend, the Department of Health and Human Services is spearheading an effort to establish a legal definition of sex under Title IX of the Civil Rights Act. The reviewed draft said the agency's proposed definition would define sex as either male or female, unchangeable, and determined by the genitals that a person is born with. The Times says the new definition would essentially eradicate federal recognition of Americans who have opted to recognize themselves surgically or otherwise as a gender other than the one they were born into. Disability Rights Montana attorney and LGBTQ rights and author activist Bobby Zanker says the memo could present a number of problems for transgender people when it comes to their official documents like a driver's license or even hunter registration cards. She says the trans community is most worried about the repeated effort already seen in places like North Carolina to keep them out of public spaces like using restrooms.
If you have legislation that would not allow people to do that, that effectively keeps those people out of public spaces. So that is what that effort does, is to let's not allow certain groups of people into public spaces. So in that sense, we're not recognizing their humanity.
Groups like the Human Rights Campaign posted to social media on Sunday asking Congress to take action by advancing the Equality Act to ensure that LGBTQ people are explicitly protected by our nation's civil rights laws. Meanwhile, President Trump had this to say to reporters about the memo on Monday.
We're looking at it. We have a lot of different concepts right now. They have a lot of different things happening with respect to transgender right now. You know that as well as I do, and we're looking at it very seriously. I'm protecting everybody. You know what I'm doing? I'm protecting everybody. I want to protect our country.
The New York Times says a new definition will likely be presented to the Justice Department by the end of this year.